Osogbo. This is the second line B, the one for Ibadan North, and this is the third line B, the one going to Isheyin. This is Isheyin line B. Of course, that is the 40 MVA mobile transformer. You can see the mobile transformer there. The 40 MVA mobile transformer is there. The outgoing feeders to the distribution is also there. You are welcome to Osogbo region, and you are also welcome to Iwo 132 kV substation. We have a lot of projects intervention in Osogbo region, but I will start with this one at Iwo 132 kV mobile substation. Iwo, before now, used to be a switching station, and the switching is done when there is no power. In other words, we are going to lose not only time, we are going to also lose money. Recently, we have been having a lot of problem, particularly protection problem. When there is a fault in far away Isheyin, it will upset our system either at Osogbo or at Ibadan North. In this station, there are 3 infeeds. We have one from Ibadan North, and we have another from Osogbo. We have the one going to Isheyin. All of them are emanating from the 132 kV bus bar here. Before now, there are no circuit breakers and there are no protection. So faults here will go as far as either Ibadan North or Osogbo. But thank God, under the leadership of Engineer Abdulaziz Suleiman, this project was conceived to clearly demarcate the protection zones and ensure that tripping is only limited to those areas that are absolutely faulted. The beauty of this project is that the project was completely done in-house by our own engineers. And we have 3 line Bs were created in this station. The one from Osogbo, you can see Osogbo to that side. This one is coming from Ibadan North, and this other one is going to Isheyin. The beauty of this project is that when there's a fault, it will actually discriminate, determine the area where the fault is, and localize it and remove it without affecting the other areas. Another beauty of this project is that if there is a major maintenance work either at Osogbo or at Ibadan North, we can backfeed them from this place. The switching is done without putting off supply. The switching is smart. And with this, we have been able to reduce trippings that comes as a result of lack of discrimination. We have also been able to improve on our reliability index. The fact now is that we have less tripping. Faults, we cannot say fault will not come up. Fault will definitely come up. But when they come up, only the faulted part of the circuit should be removed. We appreciate our MD and CEO, Engineer Abdulaziz Suleiman, for approving this project and making sure that the project was seen to conclusion. We thank God for that, and that is actually paying off now. Thank you. Yes, you are welcome to the control room, Iwo 132 kV substation. Like I earlier explained outside, 3 line bays were created. These are the state-of-art control panels that controls the base that were installed outside. You can see written there is Iwo Ayede, and on this one we have Iwo Isenyi, and here we have Iwo Osogbo. All these control panels were also installed by engineers in-house. I will now, at this point, hand over to the Assistant General Manager, System Operation, for him to tell us his experience after we have created this 3-line base.
With the installation of all these equipment, it has given us a tremendous improvement in the supply being sent out from Iwo 150 kbps. Yeah. Before, it was a manual station. Later, it was upgraded to a manned station. Later, we have all these line bay, Osogbo line bay, Iwo line bay, and Isenyi line bay. Before, if we are having any fault, the line would just go from Osogbo or from Ibadan, and there will be no supply. But now that we have segmented the circuit, the one from Osogbo, if it's the one that is having fault, it is Osogbo axis that will be cut off. If it is from Ibadan axis that we are having fault, the line will just cut off from, the line breaker will just cut the line off. If it is the sharing side that is having problem, then the 122 kV breaker will just trip, segmenting the circuit from the others. So that is the importance. Then, with the job we are having at Ibadan today, if it were in the olden days, if you are having supply, a job being done in one station, the whole circuit will go out. But now we are having job being done at Ibadan. Despite that, we are still feeding Ibadan, part of Ibadan axis from Osogbo through Iwo here that feeds Ibadan. Meaning that the downtime of supply is being reduced, and there will be improvement in the revenue as against before. So the management, under the leadership of Engineer Sule Abdulateef, tried very, very well.